give it some gas? Give it some gas, Joe? Joe, give it gas. More gas, more gas. Joe, give it some.
Hang on.
No, hold on. Okay. Oh, shit. Damn.
That was deep.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, you probably have to come up here. Come up this way, and then you can turn into it probably. You're off the winch now. So go forward, full-wheel drive. Low, right? There you go. Keep going higher. Go to the right. Back up. Back up. Back up, turn left. Hard left. Turn left. There you go. There you go, buddy. Now climb up on that thing to the right. There you go, buddy. Hold on. Let me turn around. Oh, shit. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us, man. It happens to us all. Don't worry. Oh, shit. Probably like that one. Oh, I don't think so. You mean, oh, shit. Oh my God. Well, that's it. That's it. You're stuck. It's dropping down now. You're still going though. Woo! Still going, you're good. You're still moving. You're about to get to hard ground here soon. Yeah. You're almost there. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just steady. It's not even slowing down, just steady. What's that? It's getting there. What's that? To that backside. Yeah. I mean, your tire's still there, but it's just got a wall of mud. All right, buddy. What, those dudes you were talking to? Oh, I mean, the ones that were talking, yeah. The ones that, what, the guys y'all were hollering at over there?
Ain't no hollering back there.
I'm all by myself. Wayne, I'm coming through, buddy. Yeah, no, I'm joking. Yeah, that's bad. All right, sounds good. Yep. Oh shit. All right, buddy. You're gonna have to find somewhere to hook this up to.
I got a place.
All right. I just don't want to be the one to hook it up and it pulls something out. It's moving slightly. Carl, it's not going in. Can you go out? Can you go out or no? What's that? Oh, really? Oh, okay, it's done. Yeah, maybe.
Free spool is this way?
Yeah. I didn't know if we're trying to free spool it anymore. Yep. Up. Shit. Hey. Yeah, that's probably what it is.
It'll reset eventually.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it should.
We can unhook from him.
Yeah. Shit. The winch gave out.
Yeah, I heard it.
This guy's bringing the Terex over here like it's gonna do something. Joe said, get out the way, I'll pull him out.
Yeah.
Y'all stuck? Y'all need some help? So I'll pull him out. I'll pull him out forward. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, no, yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it. Is it in forward or reverse right now? Can we go backwards? Yeah, probably just lift it right out. No, you're fine. You're fine. Yeah, let me get in the front and I'll try to lift it up some. Ugh. Yeah, go and sit on it.
Put your feet on the back.
There you go. You're good right there. Just going back up. There we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll be your husband.
Yeah, no problem, buddy. No. It's all part of the fun. My dad's stuck? Is he stuck? Oh. Me too. Yeah. Where's he at? okay?
Damn, okay.
Right here, Joe. That was nice. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Y'all need this Honda to pull that thing out real quick?
We got one hooked up. Pull it out. The Honda made it through for some reason.
Is it?
Nobody's behind me.
No. Are you stuck? I'll get you. I'll get you. He just broke his transmission, I think. You're smoking your belt. Carl, smoking your belt. You said you're stuck, right?
Well, when the water hit the engine, it shut off.
Oh, okay. It's not going. He might have water in his belt or something. I don't know. I don't know if these are belt driven or chain driven.
It's belt, but when the water hits the engine, like all of a sudden,
Yeah,
it'll cut off for a minute.
I gotcha. Are y'all heading back towards camp or what?
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
no. Let me get out your way, buddy. There it is. Hell yeah. Look at that thing. Shoot. Did he break his transmission or something?
Huh?
Did that guy break something?
Lifted razor.
Uh-oh.
Winch.
Hey, pull my charger out.
Okay.
What's that?
Carl, will you toss me the other end, Carl? Toss me that end. Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
Well, just put it in neutral. Hey,
Yeah.
hold your neck against the back of the seat.
It's gonna jerk you pretty hard. That's been hit from behind. Hold on.
Watch out in case that thing snaps. Watch. Is that, hey, hold on, Rick. Carl, hold on 1 second. Hey, is that steering wheel gonna get bound up anywhere? The tire? Can you turn your tire straight at all? Yeah. It's okay. Well, just if it starts pulling, just let it go. All right, go ahead, buddy. Here we go. Oh, no, that was it. What's that? Yeah, might be doing that one. That thing just went. I think that's more for ATVs.
He's got a bigger road.
Oh shit, there you go. God damn. You ready? All right, ready? Hey, hold on. Hey, watch yourself in case that thing comes back again. They're about to pull. Here we go. here we go. Go ahead. We're good. Go ahead. Damn. You got her. Pulled the shit out of her.